Gonna push further up here. And we'll see if we can do a nice slow drift all the way down. Go out a bit wider so we don't spook them. Have a go at this day though. Holy. Just spook something then. Mullet. Oh, here we go. Big floody. Yep. Oh, he dropped him. Here he is again. Oh. I can legit see him. Here he goes. See him? Keep quiet. Holy, that was psycho. Don't know why I didn't take it. Big floody. Big floody. I don't know if you can see, but it's just stacked all through here with herring. All the way along here. That's what the floodies are chasing. Another one. Far out, it's just stacked in here, isn't it? Oh, I forgot to press record on this one. There was two of them right on top of each other. Look at that beautiful tail. Look at that beautiful blue tail. Nice little fella. Off you go, mate. You happy there, aren't you? Dawn. Oh, yep. Oh, he coming from ages away, that thing. I could see that thing coming from miles away. Hit it like a freight train. Yes. Good size. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Didn't bring the net. Look at this fella. Oh. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that.